The HP printer 0xc19a0020 error code indicates an ink system failure, often caused by a misaligned or faulty printhead. To fix this issue, several solutions can be applied. First, aligning the printhead is a potential solution. This involves loading white papers into the printer's paper tray, ensuring the printer has enough ink, and then tapping the settings icon on the screen. From there, select Align Printhead and hit Continue on the next screen, waiting for the printer to finish the alignment process. If this doesn't work, replacing the printhead may be necessary. This entails loading unused white papers into the paper input tray, powering on the computer, and opening the access door. Lift the cartridge's latch handle. Hold the sides of the printhead, and remove it by lifting and pulling it towards you. Insert the new printhead. Lower the latch handle. Insert the new cartridge, and close the access door. By following these steps, the error code should be resolved.